Hello and welcome to Impact TV. Yengbirisi BEG Talk ni Business Excellence Group na initiate tawa masung promote tawa business ta basis oiba economy amasung market khanane na ba adugma talk show ni ngasi ekhoi gi show asida pujarai besi BEG gi members ngatani BEG haiba kainosi ekhoi gi organization si kari maram gi Kaidubagi Hogdoibano, Amasumagi Vision Karino, Agamana, Manipurna, Ekis Policy, Gi Waveta, Yorkomatamda, young entrepreneurs, Amasung, established entrepreneurs, BEG member Mamna, Kari role play, to we again have to Kanan and Nagadorbiningasigi episode Asida, Hovada, please welcome Radhesam Oinam, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Radhesam Oinam is our senior member ni BEG Business Excellence Group की लोनेना network services की head होना पूरी network services से retailing sector दा तोंगान बा अखोगी कनु में बिगोली बिनी अखोगी articles में आम अखोगी Nestle की products तोंगान बा product अदु उम्बर retail services दे ले बिनी लोनेना लेंजन बिली से Hero Thokchom welcome to the show Hero BEG की convener ने one of the men behind formation of BEG Maruena Markse, Iwama Hospital, Singameda Leba, Adugi MD, Zuena Puri, Loinana, he's also into retail marketing Haitare, Akotonganba, FMGC goods ma'am, Florizon Gaina, Adugi retailer, Zu Oidivane, bought BEG form to Kumatamda, Achobotan Loboganone, BEG Business Excellence Group. A bit much summed up profile it's a group of entrepreneurs, both young and old, dynamic oiba, Manipur gi hujiki changing career scenarios ida ako achobo thotang lori ba haitai masida akoi masen amaga pau phonaraga mating panam adum group ni, but let's hear it from the convener himself akoi Hero akoi BEG we have heard of this group ko Hogi Handa Hogi, flat nung to the zoo, Mam the Toga Mating Pang, Kotka Sudum Tova, Tare, BEG Group say. Relatively very new, Manipugi, media senior the Torpasu, Yamju Media Zoo, interact woman there, but another thing that Hero into with the Ugibu, football to Simgibra, or BEG Kanogi. Although Mayandong Tang, talk show Mabudi, BEG sponsor Tauri, promote Toraga. What's your vision, what's your aim, objective, see organization link up Haitare?
Thank you so much for the Haitare Yam Impact Bina Skumba Yam Pazaba platform Mukak BEG Talkie see PB Bakwa. Ado saying na BEG Talk see BEG Hogi Wakalon Haitare the Hogi Yamna Kajor Bagi Wapum Dinasade Dubu. अखोगी पृथ्वी से हजिक से इकोनॉमी से फगलन के हाइटार दी इज अ प्रूवन फैक्ट अखोगी बिजनेस कम्युनिटी से अखोगी फगलन बा मथौताई अदुगा पृथ्वी से हजिक इनोवेशन अदगी टेक्नोलॉजी से मसी वर्ल्ड से मसी यामना हाइदी मसीना डोमिनेट तौरबा जगह सिदा अखोगी ग्रुप अखोगी मणिपुर है पिकना लेजरिबा सिदा हिंगे अखोई मसिन पुनमकना मसीगी पृथ्वी की कनोसी थेंगना होनरपदा अखोई मैमसी तासिल लग पता करता है कोई मैम की टैलेंट मैम से पुंजन लग पता करता है कोई मैम की इंटरेस्ट मैम से पुंजन लग पता करता है दुगा कोई जॉइंटली कोई पृथ्वी की कनो ले रिबा कोई चाउखरबा कनो सिदा कोई जो पुन्ना मान चेंज से याउन बगी कोई मैम
मरुवेना एक्स पॉलिसी लाक्तोरमनिना अखोगी ngang jo khoi manle ga chapiu dana yangon ga chapiu ni yengbiu re ekis policy lakpa sigi pochi da ju sigi BEG si am 11 oire ko
hoi masi akhoi gi semje ba kuijadri aduda akhoi na hawe ba sengna akhoi imana ba myam ma khoi gi kano tawjaraga hana khoi sem like taminar pa adagi imana ba reference myam akhoi myam si punjalaga khoi business tawjaraba sengna khoi atopa kano da changjar roi business oina sengna tawjarage haina khoi lepsar ba khoi myam sina punjalaga masi kano si community ma sangot si aduda akhoi myam punna tathok tasin tongminaraga khoi gi afaba world gi kano sida yaung ba degi akhoi se hena phagalakna bagi khoi se hena smart oirakna ba haitare khoi gi attitude chumakna ba khoi gi intention to do business ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯔꯐꯦꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯛꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯅꯤ
organization
ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯅꯥꯏꯖꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯦꯝꯖꯔꯛꯅꯕ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯍꯧꯕꯗ ꯉꯥꯏꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯋꯤ ꯑꯥꯔ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯡ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ BEGC ꯁꯥꯡꯅ ꯆꯠꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯗꯤꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯟ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯗꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯋꯤ ꯑꯥꯔ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯡ ꯇꯨ ꯏꯅꯣꯚꯦꯠ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯏꯝꯄꯣꯔꯇꯦꯟꯅꯦꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯟꯕꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯋꯥꯏ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯊꯕꯛꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯤꯟꯅꯩ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯤ ꯈꯔ ꯍꯦꯟꯅꯁꯨ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ
prime time ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯒ ꯅꯍꯥ ꯏꯅꯔꯖꯤꯁꯤ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯣꯟꯁꯦꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯧꯕ ꯃꯇꯝ
ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯝꯃꯨꯅꯤꯇꯤꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯟꯁꯦꯞꯁꯦ ꯈꯤꯇꯪꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯋꯥꯠꯄ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯥꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯃꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯥꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯗꯛꯁꯦ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯦꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯁꯤꯒꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯒꯦ ꯐꯣꯔ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝꯄꯜ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯆꯥꯎꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯖꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯗꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯣꯟꯆ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯦꯟꯇꯔꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯅꯔ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯗꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯣꯟꯆ ꯇꯧꯖꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯂꯣꯟꯆ ꯇꯧꯗꯣꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯥꯔꯀꯦꯠꯁꯤ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯃꯣꯠ ꯇꯧꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤꯒꯦ ꯅꯣꯠ ꯑꯣꯟꯂꯤ ꯂꯣꯟꯆꯤꯡ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯗꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯗꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯔꯤꯁꯔꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯤ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯗꯛꯁꯦ ꯃꯈꯜꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯆꯦꯟꯖꯁꯦ ꯐꯣꯔ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝꯄꯜ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯅ with the very innovation ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯌꯦꯇꯤꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯥꯏꯠ ꯃꯥꯔꯀꯦꯠ ꯂꯩ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯕꯤꯖꯤꯅꯦꯁ ꯁꯝꯃꯤꯠ ꯇꯧꯗꯣꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯅꯧ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯤꯐ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯖꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞꯁꯤ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯈꯖꯤꯛꯇꯪ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯁꯤꯜꯂꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯨ ꯑꯦꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯑꯦꯅꯔꯖꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯌꯦꯇꯤꯕꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯗꯨꯝꯕ ꯂꯥꯛꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯦ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯁꯥꯒꯠꯆꯕ
ꯁꯤꯝꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯂꯣꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯃꯍꯨꯠꯇ ꯊꯣꯔꯛꯑꯒ as a community ꯑꯃ punba rade in a way self help group hai tare ko akhoi sarkar na zu akhoi lekai da self help group semaga akhoi kano semidana similarly BEGC it's a group of entrepreneurs who are trying to help each other.
Say I think what's happening now today is entrepreneurs who akhoi ecosystems it changes amlaya it's ecosystem where it's become more cohesive and they're supporting and they're breeding entrepreneurial another entrepreneurs tholok bai jamakta su support to wagi su khara su changdam ju ure if you see look back about 20 I started my enterprise in 1994 and ngasi is around 80 employees I employed to zari when he started the whole market the whole in the Manipur economy was totally different in fact hegiyeng with the business pu hai taragadi mayam ni khali si profit maximize to ba ngaktangi business to ba so I think the social factor was lacking in I think business anu laiba mayam and we see a lot of youngsters who have worked outside now who have come back to Imphal that means that IT park lakpa that means that the whole ecosystem is actually supporting entrepreneurial growth that's one thing and we have also seen in those last 20 years the big revolutions happened in Manipur. One revolution was like the Apollo Hospital, 1983 the Apollo Hospital in India, the Amatland Hospital, Dr. Reddy in Hogdoganda. Today we have about 700 corporate hospitals and that's how the Apollo Hospital, the whole revolution of hospitals came, the healthcare. And then if you look at about 20 years, Mamang de Horakpa, Caesar Hospital was one which revolutionized private hospital or healthcare in Manipur. When we talk about construction for example, look at SVS, how he revolutionized the whole company. So then now corporate changa kanda. I think the whole mindset of the people in the past was last option the karvar toge was something was looked down upon, is there something very illiterate. And I think in the past another factor was that akoigi Kabiram Mahanagi ahan mayamgi business talking about maybe say pre-80s, there was a very individual kind of a single individual merchant approach, where when team works to approach talk daba, process yaug daba, organize oi daba, just one individual alone patoba. GST
kind of family business.
And GST is coming today, and that GST is the one. Those kind of merchants are suffering with GST. But I believe a lot of youngsters give from today see GST is a boon for them because it's going to make more transparent. It's going to be a teamwork. And I told you, revolution, ahumzi, healthcare, the lakiba, the sonakanda, hospital lakiba, then in the construction lakiba. Let's give an example like this is it. Why everybody has to go for the government jobs? Man, government job, harami. Then another revolution which took place, or rather two good parameters, changes, or drivers, around that late 2000 gida, akwai the private airlines lakhiba se Indigo lakhiba, Jet Airways lakhiba, even
Travelling
Sahara
yam cheap
lakhiba,
oirapa.
not cheap, the kind of employment they gave.
Okay.
Then came in the private banks, then ngase SDFC, Life Finance lakhiba, corporate ki office hangakanda. So if you look at in the past, like I personally went through this. I did my schooling from Delhi Public School as a government scholar. I St. Xavier's College, Bombay, the economics study, measures to Jarakpani. When I came back and I had to support the family home, there was not a company to work with. But as a Xavierite, you know, as a major in economics, we had so many offers then. Manipur Amatta Lake, you know, even in fact, my sister did her hotel tourism Toraganda. Hotel and tourism management Torakan. There were the hotels, and I said, "Oh, why don't you work in Nirmala?" But I don't want to comment on what kind of a work Kadugi atmosphere though. But look at Classic today. You know how the whole professionals are coming back. You know, it's giving that. This is what people say at one time. Then America the Chalambado. Now people are trying to come back to India, and that's what happening. And this is what happening in Manipur today. And we are so lucky. I don't know how ecosystem the changes lakpa, innovation the lakpa the natana. But yes, we require a lot of things. Akwai BG Tori say, adu makui platform of form Torakanda. You know, we need to share, we need to be innovative, and we need to go actual towards the social sectors. Social aspect haitare. Look at Muhammad Yunus. You know, he was called a social entrepreneur when he did the Grameen Bank in Bangladesh. Nobel Prize you pangre. Adana akwai hanagi toromba, for example, akwai Sauram Yudana. Tika Toragasu, you know, Sorok to Nongalaga Adum Kabiam Jaurami. But we will say that ICBS of Pai Taragadi, you know, and many other companies are coming in. So quality product so there is some kind of a social responsibility. The Adain told now business class of entrepreneurs. It could be many entrepreneurs. Now entrepreneurs people say that businessmen are entrepreneurs, but if you look at in USA and entrepreneurs definitions you like the it's multi-dimensional. The entrepreneurs, as I said, category the entrepreneurs by chance. There's an entrepreneur by need of a corporate entrepreneurs. Then there's entrepreneur by force. So second generation business. But if you look at again, Enfield, Royal Enfield, Siddharth Lagat, you see, though he changed the whole Royal Enfield, much close to then the best part is entrepreneurial by choice. So today, you know, we are getting a lot of youngsters who wants to come back home and by choice start living jobs outside. People who have worked in the IT sector, people who have worked elsewhere, they want to come back here, start off a consultancy firm here. They want to start off maybe an IT firm here, and there are products coming up. And I was very impressed with in the launch of the BEG, how BEG supported the launch of Dweller, the tea. And I know tea, you know, there's this book called The Blue Ocean Strategy. Kim Changa, Renina Iba. Now the new book has just come out last month. It's called A Blue Ocean Shift. Then to Nakwid Network, I don't have, I think I use jacket. I hardly had about some 40,000 rupees or something. So the whole bazaar was monopolized. It was a total seller's market, you know. The retail distribution was hardly few shops. They had to stand in line, get the stuff. You know, the total exploitation of all the whole retail market. There was no service at all. What the companies expected was distribution service. So we had to shift out of the competition to the thing called Red Ocean. And I told the Blue Ocean and I told the bazaar, mapangi shop to shop chatlaga. That's how we distribute. And today, if I have 80 employees, if it was a bazaar model, there will be only 8 employees. But because we are creating, and then another thing I have always talked about is if we have to grow entrepreneurs, if that kind of a ecosystem, the positive effect lagta, one thing we should have to look forward is they say that happy employees, customers delight. So the more you make your employees happy, customers will be happy. Employees sargadi, customers will sargadi. So I think in this new phenomena of the entrepreneurial growth, that is what BEG should be talking about. We share, like, you know, what do we do in EPF Kumba or legal compulsion. You know, welfare program, family outings. You know, there are many things we can look at. Like in my firm, network services, we have something called employee welfare program. You know, where some money is cut, we kept something. Huge, they get 70, 80. That's support Tony. The whole even magi functional swasti I am kind of I don't have an advance then I have a flexible salary system. adagi mohi bike loan adum free kana da phangi. Then EPF, LIC, health insurance, Oriental health insurance, for example. I don't know how many of BG team will know. Oriental insurance now up to 25,000 rupees. Just by contributing about 50 rupees a month. It's confidence. And we share what we have to look for is we need to actually take care of the employees because we need to grow as a team, which was lacking in the past. As I said, in the past it was profit maximization, then there was no social impact. I told you, social responsibility, social commitment, balance sharing the one pocketing we have had a very bad, as I said, reputation of a businessman. I think the new entrepreneurs through BEG, we need to change this mindset first of all. And to change that mindset, we need to set examples. So we have been saying that BEG could take up a lot of other social projects together. Maybe it could be a group project together, so that as a community, not only our community, but as a whole in the future, entrepreneurial class also start actually attracting some kind of a respect, and some kind of a confidence in us. Yes, when Tori say, what does entrepreneurs do? Okay, profit nateva. Profit is sustainable. Even if you start up an NGO or charitable organization, you have to make profits. Otherwise, where the money will come from? But question is, money to semi-depressive. So we have to be committed, and it has to be all impact maximization. So I think that these things are slowly coming in, and so the more we interact with members among ourselves, we are actually helping each other. We're sharing ideas and the best practices all over the world. Maybe somebody reading books. We share books, and I think that's happening. We have a new technology. WhatsApp we share. Our whole BEG group was in Mandalay. Northeast Mandalay. Chamber Commerce give us business summit to the share to we get to see that. Oh, this is it. We're sharing ideas, and we also have the way things are happening for the entrepreneurial class or the entrepreneurial community or the the so-called segment. Look at 21st and 22nd. We're expecting, I think, as per the newspaper, even the CEOs like Mukesh Ambani, Rahul Bajaj, CEO of Tata, Chandrasekhar, and many more. So these are signs that things are happening. Then we have the
so basically the whole ecosystem
is changing.
Has changed, and it's
which is supporting the breeding of more entrepreneurs. And that change is what we have to take an advantage of. We should not take a advantage not in that advantage sense. We should take an advantage so that we are sustainable. So we need
about a positive change.
Positive change, a sustainable positive change, so that the so-called entrepreneurs actually create more jobs, and that's what's going to happen. So the more jobs we create, the more
stable the society will become.
That's how the things are going to be. And as you're talking about NPAs, in the banks do not want to give. Oh, we have I think PMM Mudra Yojana, PM Mudra Yojana is happening for the startups. But at the same time, I think the banks need to change their, the whole perception about entrepreneurs to the yes, we can actually take a risk. Because entrepreneurship is about taking risks, it's about innovations, it's about value addition. At the same time, you're creating jobs. So that thing has to be, even spoken loud, and I think should reach the ears of
we'll come to that in the second part. We'll take a break. BEG ki objective kitang thamgre, but that's not all. BEG na tungda kari to kadorib no adagi magi membership na kamain tawi adagi whole ecosystem change lakpajida. Has it become matured ecosystem, or is there much akoina demand to yaba akoina purak yaba? Break matungda soidama khangbigani. Stay with us. We'll take a short break. Welcome back. You're watching BEG Talk. BEG Talk akoi break mamangda Manipur da leiba changing ecosystem haitare. Karbar tawbagi hanalemba mentality, hanalemba infrastructure, hanalemba opportunities mayamda ahung amala e anauba angang sing nasi karbar changale with ahogi accidentally natraga imungi oina tawrami haiba natabada by choice. You may be trained as a doctor, but you choose to become a entrepreneur ma oirakpa adumba yaurakpa sigi matangdani akoina khanagridu hauzik makha tarakpada laiba ecosystem is it enough? ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯆꯥꯎ ꯇꯥꯔꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯕꯤ ꯊꯣꯡ ꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯀꯦ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯕꯤꯖꯤꯅꯦꯁ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞ ꯑꯦꯁ ꯁꯆ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯏꯁꯨꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯩꯀꯩ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯇꯨꯅꯤ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯈꯟꯅꯖꯗꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯍꯤꯔꯣ ꯍꯣꯏ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯔꯥꯙꯦꯅꯕꯨꯗꯤ there's a huge change in ecosystem ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯩ ꯐꯪꯉꯝꯗꯕ almost ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ 24 hourꯗ 8 hours ꯃꯩꯗ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ blackout adagi internet hairo it was almost non-existence howjiti now you are connected and then you have this almost 24 by 7
mobile phone communication
mai phange except for few glitches but si leira bhawda still akhoi nang potnam chen matam da du waram gini sometime takes months for something and then the potnam purapagi price itself Kolkata dagi na Guwahati wo porappa per kg amount ahogi paisa Guwahati dagi ni Imphal wo porappa adum comparatively is very high these are deterrent dum way si maraksida karbar tawba the ease of doing business in Manipur because we are targeting future entrepreneurs see does it impact your business adida busy na masigi matang da kari kari akhoi paikhatpa yaba kai kai leba
I smile thamjage I unity because I say level yam phapani I family su business toropani na so I'm not accidental business kano haitare by choice never ado I family level phabani amasu ngantan legidre phatabani idea level thiba amasu yaujari kaino da paungana nganta legi daba so somehow I the east say yamna kano oina di leitre yam east yamna khoi challenges the anuba entrepreneur amana magi challenges to ga di khoi lady lerga su as much as 100% the oidre 100% but I understand to wungame as a business yam thawai yauna pamna tawriba ma khak oijamnina how a new entrepreneur may face the masi kamaina karamba situation ma dil tarongani ragomona challenges kya leramgani have sa I have the any hoi lebak sida level phabani hoi level amarom da masi level phaba have si kano mamang matam da su hoi mai gi thongi kanogi latringai da su there was an opportunity onaba bu kalamadi opportunity dum lerangani adi hoi pabung su honaraga adum masu yamna hard working way dana masu hadi kham kitang pharami hai kitang phane thamjage aduga hajik su kana gumba honaraga de adum phayene adum thamni hajik na hena dip khara hena de opportunity leire kaino da because khoi khutta innovation leire khoi khutta technology leire any part of the world da kaida kai mamanda kam pot se phangi kamai tor cheni kamai adugi magi kano do know how do already kanoina leire me
at the same time
research program pire
at the same time competitors machine hengala
ease of doing business hoigi government hoigi structure haitare hoigi government haitare hoigi government si business hoigi anuba businessman amada new entrepreneur amada lady opportunity world opportunity ma'am se hoigi Manipur gi entrepreneur da akhoi na kamai back to sige habagi philosophy ma aduma lehelab hadi one window system haitare akhoi for example aina kaigumba papa ai anoba entrepreneur amani aina kaigumba mapalam du poram sele kanagumba magi Manipur gi demand amadigi matungina seliba aisi karamba department han una batare kanana ayuna thingak hai magi leriba structure of akhoi kanu myam se phajana magi dama adugi government policy ma window kanu ma hangbiraba adutadi maduna phajana pabiraga aduda ai sida sidagi loroga sidagi thilaga smain toroga hadi mondu adugi kanu myam se kanu myam se khogi bylaws myam se phajana monda kanu ne piragadi hena advance ore kana ju khalle adubu but so many challenges haitare ko aji khogi lebak sida khogi naha entrepreneur ama oinaba khogi haitare di khogi thajabi bam changi government na or banking na or kanona khogi consumer na that ma se let him try let's trust him haibama khak change adugi once adugi trust to leragadi I think there is opportunity
okay you want to add
yeah I said to you the I'd like to talk on about about opportunity where actually entrepreneurial talent where we can actually put in the I'd like to talk on, say, one is retail industry, and one is on rural entrepreneurship, and one is policy or look is policy government ki role kyam chawna dege. At the same time trading firms retail ke link tok jage retail industries if you look at today India si India nation of retailers ne kirana shops India the ladies somewhere around 1 crore 30 lakhs dukan macha le kirana shops वगैरह have the India population da amma the mi chamagi da mi dukan amas le rabni. Then to same with Manipur if you look over the data I did this this project in Indian School of Business Hyderabad 3 months ki supply chain management ki course to matam I did this thing and so Manipur 30,000 le matam se da ngasi yeng biyu
30,000 small
plus dukan ऐसे लेरक तुरकते दुकान थोड़ा ही से तब ऐसे I should say कि I unemployed or hire कसु और क्या तो अगर मनिंग दुकान वो हंग दोगा दुकान फमक पनी so retail distribution अकोई retail can network सीमा that's one side of it where they can actually grow where अकोई की मागी shelf से दा more variants of products can लाख भी आगे है बमा let's combine this all together. Talking about logistics, for example, we call it full truck, but FTL high. FTL, say for example, Manipur, about 50,000 is just 500 kilometers. And it's taking about 7 days, whereas all India average truck transportation can around 300 kilometers plus a day plus all India average about 20 rupees per kg but if it works out Guwahati and it comes about 90 rupees so high
20 to 19
yes that's one of the reason where handloom sector is coming down because value addition tog the banina the cost of transportation is so high unless
90 plus 90 and you have to
just taken that's just a single based on the basis of the exact thing but at the end of now where we can grow today is rural sites the rural sector entrepreneurship why are we having single cropping why are we getting our fish from Andhra Pradesh all the way why our eggs are coming from outside Manipur another industrial growth ki impetus pirakpa one major drivers hai koi powers in today we have access of power da koi lai da basu ai bapan su excess power lai rabani there is solar can also lai so where is that akhoi gi the power water baneba so why cannot we have double cropping why cannot akhoi gi groundwater levels yam low ni sing ting toga that's where we need to have rural entrepreneurship growth say but rural entrepreneurship growth as we said then it's some idea about maybe accounting maybe some idea about so BEG has had role though that is why we come in we actually train them mudragi liable loans we can actually identify the rural entrepreneurs and help them out so if we talk about I'm not talking about a self-reliant kind of a cut-off insular economy in fact Manipur rainfall climatic condition we can actually non-farm and farm that's where the rural entrepreneurs are required at the same time Manipur retail distribution as I said already network am form so moi produce me am do now in Manipur is again no point where we try to produce a product and compete with the large MNC products we have to have innovation for example Dweller tea she has brought in Haibung tea, Haingang tea the innovation where it's more of it's customized kind of in taste customized torokpa papang FM seasonal agasu competition to banga moidaba dagi akhoi
khoi le house ga chanaba pot se khoi gi hajiksi lejermi pot si dagi
akhoi natural resources utilize let's identify utilize and more importantly create people with that kind of mindset
where I see when this manufacturers lakmatam the Infalda or Manipur I've attended some of the seminars take away or take home the kya label people talk about marketing and so I always wanted to, and I'm getting this opportunity, I'm sharing this. Now see, marketing is a vast subject matter. Marketing is about product, it's about the pricing, it's about the packaging, it's about the placement, it's about positioning, it's about promotion. It's a huge thing. Where I see that local manufacturers where they're lacking, they're lacking in supply chain planning. Now supply chain is about integrating demand and the supply together. Magi supply degi lakadaba napi hai lemongrass hai. How the lemongrass comes in, how you manufacture, and how it goes to the last final consumer in a sustainable models. I think that is lacking. So I think our manufacturers or industrialists here, what they're lacking is number one, innovations in terms of products, where the product should be customized. Ngari packing, people are buying that, you know. So we could actually customize.
Large scale market. This is also one factor. Industry industries na multinational ga fight because they have the power of investment and the management ko best software fight but we have the connectivity boost group sigi route of connecting to India, China and Southeast Asia. Sigi route sigi strategic locations importance. Masi kamai tawdana khoi sai sida khoi Manipur se country achobani sigi
connecting point
basically
it's a first port of call.
But another thing I was talking about rural entrepreneurship. It's perishable products, pineapples, oranges. Lately, last a week back, I think some particular company from Delhi is going to do something in Arunachal Pradesh, except over. So rural entrepreneurship, now that we have internet facility, data research, that's where we want. We extraction linkages aircraft so why this is not happening? You know, somebody is planning out on maybe a big project. For example, we heard about Maugda project Tajaki, passion fruit ki Tajaki. But okay, fine, passion fruit, do that. But why not all oranges? I think oranges, Patanjali or Dabur, they love to buy our extracts. Now, why the rural entrepreneurship is lacking? And they say that it is mostly due to with capital. NP PMRY, PMMY. So that's why capital is there. Banks, if the banks don't finance, how are they going to survive in Manipur? So the bank have to finance. So I think that's where the BJ again comes in. You know, this is why we identify that.
Policy rural entrepreneurship. But policy and hero na connecting point so advantage of this one border cross or port se dump from to then it may go forward. Value add to yaba say the multinational company lakh yabagi say the hub amo on yabagi opportunity di udabra adu lakum matamda rather than huge capital inflow mapandila aga mapangi mina adum control over manufacturing unit natabada.
Right. Let's say why only look at manufacturing. Let's look at services. Now health service stuff. I think that we have a huge Cambodia, Laos, Myanmar. There's so much behind in healthcare services. And I believe and I've heard that the cost of going to Singapore or Thailand is 3-4 times of the cost would be in India. So number one, Manipur is actually there. You know, it's there. It's there for the healthcare, number one. Now, the Buddhists, to go to Buddha Gaya, they have to take a flight from here. So, service travel agencies, tour and travels, so Buddha Gaya by surface, they can actually, the Buddhists, Gaya privacy, Makkah Madina or Vrindavan lifetime can. So many of them cannot afford that. So let's talk about taking that kind of a service manufacturing service how we can gain out of it. Now I was talking about the service again here. Trading community, for example. Do we have enough trading community here who at the borderline obviously Morigi port or Kalbiro land port or Kalbiro, how actually we now trading with Taragati in Manipur you are selling retail outlet setup whatever, but Exim import export Tautaradi they have to be professionals where we hired a team. So I think service oriented IT is another sector where we could be consultancy another sector. The kind of growth they are having in Myanmar, growth is lakata, but we could have kind of a construction of consultancy or architects or engineers. So linkage is some darkali. I wanted to add on this.
Masida I can tamjaoge. Can the lakaduriba hogi changes haita hogi can lakaduse. They are actually hogi Manipurgi the company they 10 times bigger company me attract a buggy possibility ma lakadori because the opportunity is there. As masi lakpasida hogi government na hogi business hogi lebaksi gi lei bami se chakhola na bidamta some kind of a policy where hogi
industrial policy
hogi mi si stakeholder matter there should be a stakeholder aitare stakeholder ma ohelagadi somehow hoy adu kai no ma yam tricky we pot ni masi hoy na yam kana to bodi
last night the share to the group we talk about that time zone 1 hour ahead to Bakaina. Those are BG. So we had a group, we heard something from you. If you look at the whole, there's a very interesting book I just went through, Lee Kuan Yew gi, Singapore Prime Minister gi, how the whole thing happened between 1965 to Malaysia and Tanthoraga, how he survived, how the country survived. Moin Toramisi, EDA, Economic Development Agency, full power between. You know, they decided all economic activity of what to do, what not to do. Worrying like HP can Jurong Park, how they mapped that 9,000 acres, how they got semiconductors, the best in the world, you know, value addition. Now that's another factor. Now there's a big opportunity happening at our border here. Okay, Trans-Asia, whatever you call it. Now I feel that state government key. Okay, commerce industries are high. I think sometimes another, most of the commerce industry will be handled. I believe that a think tank amagumba, aduga agency ama, akoigi Manipur gi oina, economic development agency hagera, economic agency hagera, who is one window clearance with a very powerful minister, yaholaga, bureaucrats yaholaga, a team which can actually connect each other. Say power data is more important tomorrow. How do you get information? Go to PWD hirani. May kind of clearance kind of so land custom
basically
one office one agency like we have had MIDA infrastructural development active policy and we are actually the gateways how much more and so that this whole agency actually communicates, coordinates and cooperates with custom custom the lai late. I've heard that custom even the system high internet system jo hai passport scan torakanda asuna kanda paira lakwa mandle dagi som lakwa dan kai line hai there's no linkage at all. So adu ma yengjanna ba ground work to yengna ba think tank university gi management go business side gi adu agency ma which is also empowered to take action and who actually is a coordinative agency ma take to biragadi and kamada we would be quite ahead in actually executing or information. Otherwise, as department, we keep having these summits, business summit. What was a take home? Take home should be like I think we need an agency which is empowered to actually coordinate and execute some.
Okay. Summit, business summit in Manipur never heard of before.
You're right. On this massive scale.
So definitely. Wind of change jagadra amadi sitli nungsit amadi silai silak pasida it's a good input ujiki one window clearance saida kananguma thabak tawge langma tamda
it's kind of a centric it's kind of a
department chain
centralized agency who actually go here you'll get all the information. The first thing do anything business anybody is lakta agasu they need information. They need information and akoigi can also regulatory functions
input ma'am say hi tare ko sigi ji DG ki member ma'am you are also a senior member ma'am ji pullaga masi akoi isn't there a way you can make a presentation hai tare ko say business summit ta koi participate tawge khot ke masi koi sima haije ke khoj ke ba adugi idea adugi plan adugi
Yes, why not in the question answer session, Gumada, we can put it up, and this is what this process what we are going through right now is that idea sharing process. It's basically brainstorming, and we are getting ideas. And
at the end of the day, akogi lebak si chakol hangi hai ta akogi mi chakol masne very important ade akoi mi si advance when
Sakarna
advance when hai ta di asagi akoi sakarna mi kudumak si akoina mana community tongam dragasu akoi group lejariba akogi community lejari mam se si identify to biraga si masai sida moina invite biraga masi kanu toroga aduda akogi interaction gumba ko ai mamangi sangai festival da su yojagi ba amara kana yojagi ba matam da ai kano khara dum ano ba pot khadi dum thengna jai aduga masu akoi da lifelong akoi lesson ho ya pot adum thengnai ya business summit is actually very good. It is very good thing to.
So you're looking forward to it.
I'm really looking forward to it because khogi at the end of the day you need to learn, you need to explore, you need to act, have never.
So basically ngasigi sarkar hai tare BJP lead sarkar sina hojik thamgi report se 1.5 lakh job per year cost 7.5 jobs in 5 years I've never. So adu mayam du government dagi piroi dabni na government du adu mayam du pibusung amoy employ tabusung amoy ko. So basically these jobs are going to come from entrepreneurship tiki lakta.
Obviously, also
so the basic message busy na ngasi pinning your message is sakar da gear up have never ko gear up aduga si ma'am si pin na ba single window pb ba aduga ease of.
So that's what the opinion process is. This whole BG platforms, we are sharing ideas. Our opinion has to go. Government is, they need think tank, they need inputs, and we need to support the government, which is actually looking out for a different developmental path. Developmental path, see, it's not defined as such. So we need to actually, unless they know, the government knows that this is what we need. Like yesterday, we were sharing about that time zone. See, why Calcutta, Bombay, before independence, and people were saying different opinions. So this is one big platform where we can say that because time, daylight time.
Daylight saving productivity. Okay, fine.
I know Simuzu Tamzani, Hoisi Matangi Matugina, Hoi Muigi Kano say, Madugi coaches young over Hoi Kano say, advanced whenever Honaze, Aduga Essas, Hoi community, Hoi Manipur say, with different community, Hoi Mamsi, Yam advanced way Haitale, Lady Bub, Canon Legeriba, Hoi. So many challenges later as you say highly advanced as a group and the highly advanced as a group say matam kanu oin aduga khoi group si khoi business excellence group se masi khoi mathau tarabra haibase
okay
ai masi kanu da thamjaningi
on this note I tare khoi ngasi gidi we are running out of time.
Okay,
thank you Radhe.
Okay,
it was great having you on the show hero masini ngasi gi BG Talk ta koi ma'am da tham jigribasi BG haiba business excellence group ana naha masu ahan ani mag yaure business anoba torpu yaure ariba torpu yaure punjal laga networking toraga amaga paw phone raga Manipur da healthy business atmosphere amka porakpa environment amka porakpa.
Okay, I forgot a very look at our sports fraternity, sports industry. We need to look at sports as an industry. 18 Arjuna awardees, we have 8 in the under. Now, even today, the whole country say, you'll be surprised that archery, handmade, bamboo, Delhi, the Amity school, they are all supplied from Manipur. So I think sports as a whole, sports industry, in terms of coaching, in terms of consultancy, in terms of sports academies,
so
we have another
opportunity
of sports here, and maybe you can get a lot of other from the other side as a coaches. So linkage later, sports is another factor where we could grow. Sports as an industry.
Okay, making this opportunity come true, I was the BG will play a role. Adugi wakalone akoi radina ju thami se matang asida ngasi gi wenati losin jaba tare, but keep watching BG Talk. We'll be meeting more entrepreneurs akoi tongan ba lamda magi area da thabak tawriba naha weriba ahan weriba mayam ma Manipur gi economy sida contribute tawga chakhala na bo hanariba behind the scene leraga contribute tawriba adugba mioi kya akoi BG Talk ta pujarakani ngasi gi wenati matang gi losin jaba tare. Thank you very much for watching.